Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design party flyers in Photoshop. In this tutorial you will learn how to create vibrant and eye-catching party flyers that instantly grab attention. We will begin with blank canvas, perfect for both digital and print flyers. Next we will add a gradient abstract background using neon or vibrant colors to set the party vibe. You will import your main model or DJ image, remove the background and enhance lighting with curves and levels. Then we will design bold event titles using stylish fonts like Babes, New or Anton for professional layout. We will apply neon glow and shadow effect to text to make it pop for background. Add party element, disco lights, confetti and sparkle to bring energy to